This next photo, if you look down on the right, you will see lots of construction going on. That's in the building Dollywood Moon Ride for 2014, the Fire Chaser. We'll make its debut in spring of 2014. The Cherokee Indians call this mountain Chickahominy, the land of the blue smoke. It is a natural habitat for more flowering trees and plants than anywhere else in the United States. Even in the area, you can hear the music of over 200 different species of birds. The Smokies are a never-ending song that changes with each season and with each pair of eyes. Folks, I mentioned earlier that Klondike Katie was built in 1943. She just celebrated her 70th birthday a few months ago. So we're mighty proud of her, and we think she still sounds great. So what do you say? Would you like to hear our engineer play a little tune on a genuine Blowin locomotive whistle? All right then, folks, on the count of three, let's go. Yell for our engineer to blow the whistle. 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle! How about that, folks? Let's get Klondike here. Round of applause. And that was Katie saying thank you very much, folks. Enjoy your day Saturday. Now, folks, if you look over to the left above the tree line, you will see a small portion of the Great Smoky Mountains. Now, we do call them the Smoky Mountains, and I called earlier and said, could you please put a little more smoke up there today? But they told me, unfortunately, there was a government shutdown, so there's not enough money for the smoke today. But believe me, there are Smoky Mountains. And folks, if you'd like to get a close-up look, US 441, the main street through our towns of Pigeon Forge, Sevierville, and Gatlinburg, is open right across the mountain. It goes from Gatlinburg right to Cherokee, North Carolina. Beautiful scenery. All the overlooks are open. You can stop and take some beautiful pictures. It's about a 30-mile trip across the mountain. And maybe someday we'll get our smoke back. At the dawn of the 20th century, there were over 1,200 farms in these mountains. Most of the farms all consist of the same type buildings, similar to what you see on your left. Had the woodshed where they kept their firewood, the main house where the people lived and slept in, the chicken house where they gathered their eggs, smokehouse where they